What's up, everybody? kjtorris here with another one-box individual personal break for my man, Giggity Giggity Goo. Last box I have right now. Good luck, brother. Let's see it. Today's date, December the 15th, 2014. Good luck. What do you think's going to be in it?
101, another 101, another 101.
A whole box of 101s?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. There you go. Good luck. Can you have a high-tech for free? Yeah, Lizzie. Sure. No. 101 popcorn action. All right. Let's get to the base action first.
Is it much 101s?
All right. First up, you got a Tectonics Pedro Martinez, number 46 out of 50. The Pedro Martinez. Tectonics. That's decent. Yordana Ventura, rookie base. Adam Jones. Base. And Adrian Gonzalez. Base action. Sleeve up that Tectonics real quick. These are good looking cards. I like them. Like the look of those. I think they're fun. Alright, and some base cards coming. Alright, first up, Mariano Rivera. He's a Yank. Base action. Shelby Miller. And a Sonny Gray. That one is numbered 37 out of 50 on that Sonny Gray. Make them into Christmas ornaments. Have them hanging from the tree. These cards are too expensive for that. And your hit, sir. Well, we went back-to-back on this guy. Sonny Gray. Got a Sonny Gray short print and then the Sonny Gray auto. There's a Sonny Gray box. It's all gray. Yeah, I know, Mac. Just a hole punch and some freaking string because they're just acetates. There you go, Matt. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. I'll get it loaded up.